There's no doubt that ongoing high humidity causes multiple problems in facilities, from mold or other damage to contents in the structure, to risk of occupants' health. Unexpected leaks or floods often disrupt operations and create headaches for you. Even if you're short on storage or have limited on-staff technical expertise, you can be ready to manage moisture problems with an extremely compact, high-performance solution, the Dri-Eaz Revolution LGR Dehumidifier. For its size, it's remarkable that the Revolution can dehumidify up to 8,000 cubic feet and remove up to 17 gallons of water per day. And its advanced technology adapts to any facility environment to drop humidity and moisture levels fast. Of course, the Revolution works best when you pair it with the Velo Pro air mover, which can direct concentrated airflow toward any damp surface or area, making dehumidification more efficient. Both products are engineered, built, and supported in Legend Brand's Burlington, Washington headquarters, well known for making highly reliable equipment. That's why we've been the industry leader for more than 40 years. Both the Revolution and Velo Pro are also perfect if you have limited space for use or storage. Both compact units can be deployed in small areas if needed, and can be stacked on hand trucks to move around your facility easily. Knowing we have an industry-leading warranty and nationwide service can help ease your mind. The Revolution comes with a limited lifetime warranty on the housing and 6 years on the system's compressor and coils. Because moisture problems will happen, make sure you have the compact Revolution on hand. It may be small, but it delivers mighty dehumidification to save the day.